Are you still going to be you next week? Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Peter. If it's your first time here and you want to learn to code and you want to keep motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. So, are you going to be you next week? Now, I know that sounds like a kind of a weird question, but let's honestly take a peek at that and see what we're actually talking about. Are you going to still be you next week? Are you still going to be you in 2 weeks, in a month, in 3 months? Are you still going to be you in 6 months and a year? Well, the answer is, of course, yes, you are still going to be you. You're going to go through some changes in the meantime. But the thing is, I want to talk to you about thinking about that more critically. What you do not want to do is make enemies with your future self. You're going to hate yourself if you make enemies with your future self. It's very easy to want to quit when you're doing something that you're struggling with, especially coding. Dude, it is a marathon learning road, and I'm on it, and I know how you feel when you just feel like you want to pull your hair out because you can't get it all into your mind how you feel is fast enough. And you feel like you're just never gonna quite grasp it all. It's all this kind of nebulous, scary cloud, and you sometimes it gets on top of you, and you can honestly think, man, I don't know if I really want to keep going with this. It's just very easy to feel like the future isn't real in a certain way, and that you feel like you want to quit today until you quit today. But the truth is 3 months from now, if you quit today, in 3 months from now, you'll look back and you'll say to yourself, you'll say to your today self, you'll say, dude, why did you quit? You were getting so close. You know, you've been struggling, you've been creeping towards this goal, and it gets on top of you, and you're just like, I throw in the dang towel. But let's talk seriously for a second. You started coding for some reason. You started coding because you needed to make some kind of a change. And those same problems are still lurking right there, right behind you, hoping that you do quit, so that all of a sudden, here you are back again just where you started. Don't fall for it, man. Don't fall for it. To be honest, it's a sign of maturity when you can start looking at your life in this way and start understanding that you're creating your own problems in your life. Now, of course, you're not creating every problem in your own life, but you are, even those problems that you didn't create, you are creating how you deal with it, how you understand it, how you are planning to get out of it. And these struggles are very common to everybody, man. I mean, you're not alone in that. Let me ask you this question. What is the difference between you and a junior web developer? Well, the difference is about 3 months worth of hard studying. You know, even if you're at the very beginning, 3 solid months of diligent studying will get you to the point where you can start seeing light at the end of the tunnel, and you will be able to take those next steps in getting that awesome job that you are dreaming about. That's what we are about here at Coding Connections, is getting you through this tunnel and getting you to that job, man. Get to that job. So what I'm here to tell you, man, is that your future self is real, and it is still you. And you are going to either thank yourself or hate yourself. And it just relies on you today. Are you going to get another hour worth of coding done today? Are you going to get another 2 or 3 hours worth of coding done today? Are you going to get your studying in? Are you going to put the phone on, turn the ringer off on your phone and get your nose into the grindstone, get to your laptop and get coding today? Are you going to do it? Are you going to do that today? I am. As soon as I finish this video, I'm getting right back on it, man. And I'm encouraging you to just not give up. Give it another day. Every time you feel like you want to give up, say, I'm going to give it one more day. I'm going to give it another hour. Sometimes you'll think, I want to give it one more minute. I'll just do it for one more minute. It's real like that. It's incremental steps. You'll hear tons of people talking about that. Incremental little baby steps. That's what gets you there. And I want to hear about your frustrations in the comments. I want to hear about your successes. I want to hear about some of your tricks that you do to trick yourself out of postponing study and just anything that you want to talk about, man, in the comments. We are here as usual to build a community for coding connections. Dude, we are here to rock it together, brother. You are not alone on this road. We will see you in the next video. Keep rocking, keep coding. God bless. What do you say when you want to quit?
I don't quit.